Okay, so this is another sum of exponents. I'll show you how to solve this. You can see the base is the same 5 by 7, 5 by 7, and 5 by 7 for all. So we know this law that if the base is the same and the powers are different, the powers are to be added. AM plus N. We already know about this. See, we get a similarity of this from here. See, 5 by 7, 5 by 7, same base, just like A and A. Powers are different and we have to add the powers therefore. There is another law which says A to the power M divided by A to the power N is equal to AM minus N, which means if the base is the same and we have to divide the number, then we have to subtract the powers. You can see over here 5 by 7 and there is division. So we will apply these two laws to solve this particular sum. Let's do it. See, first write 5 by 7, then minus 2 plus 4, because there is a multiplication sign, so the powers will be added. Then again we have got the same number 5 by 7, the base is the same, but there is a division sign, so the powers will be subtracted. So the last number minus 3. We are going to solve this 5 by 7. See here, there is minus 2 minus 3. So this becomes minus 5 plus 4, which means 5 by 7 by minus 1. This is the answer. We can also write it in this way 7 by 5, because negative exponent means reciprocal of the number. If we are asked to find the multiplicative inverse for the number, then it will be multiplicative inverse. Then the answer will be, here it was 5 by 7 to the power minus 1. So here it will be 5 by 7 to the power only 1. Now we'll move to the next sum. Express 16 to the power minus 2 as a power with base 2. So you have to express this with base 2. So in simple form, you can write like this, that 16 to the power minus 2 is equal to, base is given 2, but what power? We have to find out this. Simply, we will find the factors of 16 and the factor is given, that is 2. Okay. So firstly, just the way we solve LCM or find the factors, we'll do the same thing. Prime factorization method. So 16, there is 2. 2 was the base, so I'll use 2. Then 8, 2, 4, 2, and 2. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos. So we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 8 twos are 16. And there was minus 2. So we know this and this. We have this law, A to the power m whole to the power n, then the powers are multiplied. We will apply this law in this question. So this will become 2, multiply the powers, 4 into minus 2, it becomes 2 to the power minus 8. So this will be the answer to this question. We will move to this question. Simplify and write in exponential form with positive exponents. Exponential form, we don't have to simplify the answer, which means, see, this is given. This is similar to this law. See, A to the power m n, if there is another bracket as well, suppose p, then it will be a multiply all the powers. So the same, this law will be applied to this question. So simply see 5 by 7, multiply the powers, 2 into minus 1 into minus 3. So let's solve it. 5 by 7, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into 3 is 6, minus into minus plus, so positive integer 6. Over here the answer will be 5 by 7 to the power 6. We have to find in positive exponential, it is positive only, so we don't have to do anything else. There is another sum of the same kind, simplify and find the answer in exponential form. So let's do it first. See, here it is 4 by 5 to the power 2. And here there is 5 to the power 4 into 2 by 5 to the power minus 2. So for minus 2, we will use a reciprocal of this. So let's do it in this step as well. That is 5 by 2 and the power will be positive now. Divided by 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. I did not change, I changed this part of it, but I did not change this part of it. I've kept minus 3 as it is. The reason is, in this way, I will get the same base, that is 5 by 2. So we're going to solve it partly first. We will solve this part now. Okay. So for this, we are going to write 4 square by 5 square. That is splitting this into 5 to the power 4. And this side, you can see 5 by 2 is the same. The base 5 by 2, 5 by 2. And there is a division sign. So the power will be subtracted. So here 2 minus, and there is minus 3. So minus 3. Now we are going to solve this part of it. You can see there is 5 square. 5 square means there is 2 5. And 5 to the power 4 means there is 4 5s. Right? So I have written it only for understanding purpose. And here there is 4. Now see, if I cancel these out, 5 to the power 4 would become 5 to the power 2. Why? Because here there was already 5 to the power 2. If I simplify it, it will be like this. 5 to the power 2 is 5 into 5. And 5 to the power 4 is written as 5 4 times. 3, 4. So you can see we can cancel out this 5 with this 5, this 5 with this 5, and there are only 2 5s left. So that is why I have done this working. Now, this part of the question remains the same. That is 5 by 2. Now, what is the power? 2 minus into minus becomes plus. So, 2 plus 3, it is 5. Now, we have got this. What is left with me is 4 square, which we can also write as 2 to the power 2 by to the whole to the power 2. Because 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That is 2 squares. Into 5 to the power 2 remains into 5 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. This is remaining, and I've split this into this. Now you can see this becomes 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2. This is 5 to the power 2. And this is 5 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. You can see there is 2 to the power 4 and there is 2 to the power 5. So we can cancel this out. There is only 1 2 remaining. And here there is 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 5. And there is a multiplication sign here. So add the powers. That is 5 to the power 2 plus 5. And here there is only 2 remaining. So my answer will be 5 to the power 5 plus 2, that is 7, by